no draw. Vamos, let's go. Yeah, yo, took the L last night, now I'm a train wreck. So look it up, sides, depends how you frame it. Change up the mindset up like a spaceship. Yeah, look, yo, took the L last night, now I'm a train wreck. So look it up, sides, depends how you frame it. Change up the mindset up like a spaceship. Look, yeah, look, I'm better than 90% of these gentlemen. So why the fuck I think I'm feeling so settled in? We so laid back like we up on some sedatives. See, we the Xanax, shorty up for medicine. Developing into somebody who relevant. The new school flow with swag like a veteran. I'ma go ahead, look, I'ma go get it in my element every time that I get a pen. I guess I settled in, you can call me the weatherman. You can't fuck with me cause I'll celibate. And your girl on her knees like I was reverend. Zen is the name and I hope you remember it. Even if you don't got the mind of an elephant, know that you going to go and remember it. Why? Cause of the way that I be telling it. Does someone got a cap I could go put my feather in? Acting all sweet, man, you like some gelatin. Got the deer in headlights, look, now you venison. My flow is a 10 like Ben Tennyson. Crowd swinging back and forth like pendulums. Why the fuck are you acting so delicate? Know that I revel in being competitive. Still waiting on the call from Letterman. Don't need an introduction, y'all already getting it. I'm a stand-up guy, no need for heckling. Always go out for my dogs, no need for betting him. We so menacing, y'all better just let us in, or else I'll force a win and get you all jettisoned. Become the denizens, now show some reverence. Maybe if you're lucky, you'll get an apprenticeship. Better be nice if you hope to be getting it. Yeah, hope to be getting it.
Can I face this? Can I make it? I feel faithless, wish I could replace this. I need changes, I wanna be the greatest. So I will chase it, I will be courageous.
Waking up, every day's tough. I'm just hoping I can make it through the same stuff. Got a bad job, got no love. Feel so alone, feel so stuck. Gotta find something to look forward to. Anything to keep my mind off what I'm going through. But I don't know where to start, what's the first move? Maybe I just try a bunch of different things soon. Yeah, that could be the trick. 100 different things, I mean one has gotta stick. But how exactly do I pick? If I'm good at it, like a really good fit, or maybe passion is it? Something I could do every day, never miss. Something that I love that could feel like a gift. Forget about the money and just find what it is.
Can I face this? Can I make it? I feel faithless, wish I could replace this. I need changes, I wanna be the greatest. So I will chase it, I will be courageous.
Let's go. Enigmatic, I need something like new magic, a new tactic, something that can help me take a stab at it. I wanna move past it, I need some new traffic. Up in my head, make some space for a new path. And no one really gets what I'm going through, I'm showing you. But we're too self-obsessed to be noticing the growing mood. Anxiety is on the rise, can't you see it growing too? I need some peace of mind, anything to help me going through. All these thoughts in my head, thoughts in my bed, taught me to dread every night, but instead I just need a little bit of light in my head. Positive thoughts, they just might beat the stress. I just might need some rest, cause my life is a mess. But I could change all of that if I change my mind, if I try my best.
Can I face this? Can I make it? I feel faithless, wish I could replace this. I need changes, I wanna be the greatest. So I will chase it, I will be courageous.
Yeah, like J. Cole, it's my first time. Goddamn, man, she's so fine. She got a body and a sharp mind. Not a 9, she a straight dime. Short skirt and some high socks. She finish off with that crop top. She likes hip-hop and hard rock. She likes heavy drops, that's hot. I said I'm in it to win it, cause if I want it, I get it. Just give me time, we'll be sinning. Just give me time, I'll be swimming up in a diamond. I'm winning, pinning her down, man, I'm in it, yeah. Oh man, my thoughts are explicit. I like to test out my limits, already got me addicted, yeah. Just to the thought of her vivid. Tell all my friends I'm gon' get it. At the next party, I'll hit it, yeah. Long time I've been waiting though. Yeah, let's go. A couple shots of that whiskey, a couple more and we're tipsy. My heart is beating so quickly, I think I like being risky. Oh God, her boy's so tricky, and fuck, I'm way too dizzy. I think those shots just hit me. That's when she said get in me. So I roll up to the party, dude. I look around, man, nothing new. I see my girl sipping on a brew. That's when I knew what I wanna do. My heart's fast, so I talk slow. And what I'm saying, man, I don't know. I just hope I look like a pro, cause all I wanna do is take her home, yeah. Body like a spinner, we're sipping on liquor, catalyst for a sinner, oh. I feel my blood run thinner, straight to my liver. Now I wanna pull the trigger, roll. I wanna move a little quicker, skipping on the dinner. Feeling on your figure, turn the lights down dimmer. Think I picked a winner, doesn't know I'm a beginner, so I hope I can deliver. Long time I've been waiting though. Yeah, let's go. A couple shots of that whiskey, a couple more and we're tipsy. My heart is beating so quickly, I think I like being risky. Oh God, her boy's so tricky, and fuck, I'm way too dizzy. I think those shots just hit me. That's when she said get in me.
My mouth, raise my sense. I can't breathe or shout, overheating.
Oh, I don't know what to say, I don't know where to start. Words feel like we're strangers, drifting only apart. I'm overheating. stuck in the same old feeling, feel so detached. My vocal cords are bleeding, overreact. Oh, I don't know what to say, I don't know where to start. Words feel like we're strangers, drifting